Hey there, my friends. Welcome to our newest video training series, where we are going to teach you how to use what is perhaps the most targeted social platform available for marketers. One that, coincidentally, tends to fly under most marketers' radar. Not because they don't know better, but because it is not the kind of social platform you would think of to do your advertising in, until you sign in and see the potential. We are talking about none other than LinkedIn, the top business-oriented social networking platform for professionals. We are pretty sure that lots of you didn't know that you could market and advertise your stuff on LinkedIn, because after all, it is a serious platform for business people and job seekers, right? Well, you are in for a surprise. You see, LinkedIn actually offers one of the best converting advertising services around. That is why we have devised this video course for you. And we are opening it up with Section 1, LinkedIn Ad Basics, where we are going to teach you the basics about the platform with content, such as, what is LinkedIn all about? What are LinkedIn ads? How can LinkedIn ads help your business? Shocking LinkedIn ad facts to consider. So allow us to kickstart this course with the following question. What is LinkedIn all about? LinkedIn is described as a social networking service for professionals. But we believe that it can be best described as a social media platform designed to cater to all kinds of business-oriented people, including business owners, job seekers, employees, employers, and even graduates. LinkedIn works the same as any other social media platform on the surface, as it allows people to join it for free and to create social profiles. The difference lies in what people use profiles on LinkedIn for. Whereas profiles on other social networks are mostly designed to showcase people's interests, hobbies, and everyday moments. LinkedIn is designed to highlight professional, business, and career-related information. Professional and work skills, employment history, and education are some of the highlights that you will find on a common LinkedIn profile. And contacts are called connections to give a professional tone to interactions made by users of the platform. Connections allow LinkedIn members to connect with people whom they know on a professional level, whether online or offline. LinkedIn also leverages user-generated data such as job titles, geographical locations, skill sets, and industry to connect job seekers with employers. This has led LinkedIn users to use their LinkedIn profiles as a resume, with lots of people finding success in using the platform to find their dream jobs. LinkedIn can also be used as a great educational resource, as lots of industry leaders from around the world have LinkedIn profiles that any user can follow to get tips from. As you can see, LinkedIn is a social media platform that is targeted to a very specific yet broad audience, professionals, business owners, and job seekers, which kind of means that the job of targeting your audience is half done. And it so happens that LinkedIn has the perfect advertising platform where you can do the rest. Tune in to our following video to learn more.